If you're looking to get published, become more visible, and get those sought after backlinks for your website's SEO, then you need HARO. Hi, you guys. Caitlin here with Rising Ranks Digital, and today we're going to be talking about what HARO is and why you should get on it and how to play the game of HARO. All right, so what is HARO? Some people say HARO, some people say HARO. What it stands for is Help a Reporter Out. It is a company that essentially connects publishers, publications, and reporters with the everyday people. And what you do is you go sign up. It's helpareporterout.com or helpareporter.com. And you go and you sign up and you get 3 emails a day, in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. And it's a whole list of reporters who are on deadline, who are looking for help with a certain topic, and they want you to help them out. A lot of large publications work with HARO, so I highly recommend it, and it's one of the easiest ways to get published online today. So I've seen publications such as Forbes, Wall Street Journal, ABC, Fox. All of these publications are using HARO. So there are a few things that you need to follow in order to ensure you get as many publication placements as possible. The first one is to act fast. These reporters are typically on deadline and they want to complete their article as fast as they can. So it's really important to start to learn when your emails come through and to find those emails right away and to respond to those right away. This is one of the biggest tips I could give you for actually getting published. And when you are picking the answers that you want to get published with or you want to answer, make sure that is in full alignment with what you do, your brand, and everything. So, say I'm an SEO expert, but, somebody's asking me about hiring. I've done some hiring, but, that is not my expertise. I wouldn't go after that. I would go after very specific questions around SEO, around content creation, around visibility online, anything like that. And then once you decide if this is a great question for you to answer, you need to answer the question fully. And you actually need to answer the question. So some might be open-ended questions. If that's the case, be as detailed as possible, unless they're giving you certain restrictions on word amount. And also, if there is a question, you want to answer it. A lot of times I see people trying to essentially one-up the reporter or let their ego get involved. And so instead of actually answering the question, they would go around and be like, well, I think that this is the better approach than what you're asking. You don't want to do that. Reporters don't care. They want you to answer the question. And then, of course, always include a bio and photo. This can just be links. What I like to do is I have a note that I copy and paste, and I just put at the end my bio. I put a link to my website, and then I put a link to a Dropbox that has a few photos of myself in it, should they want that. That just helps them out with ease. So they don't have to respond back, be like, hey, can I get your bio? Can I get this other information? They have it all there, and they don't need to respond. If they don't have to respond to you and they can just pull right away, that's going to truly help you in getting featured as well. So the last thing you want to do is to sign up for Google Alerts. A lot of times these reporters are incredibly busy and they don't really have time to come back and be like, hey, we featured you, or hey, we decided to feature you. Here's the link. Some do, which is great, but some don't. You want to make sure you're set up with Google Links for your first name, last name, and your company name. If you get featured, you will get alerted by Google Alerts, and you want to know that because you want to be a good sport and share that on all your social channels, with your email list, and try to help them out with more traffic. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, comment below. If you like this, comment and share. Would love to see some love.